Hi, I'm Luba with EcoSlider. We produce the most durable and easy to install greenhouses. Come inside, I'll show you what we have. If gardening is your hobby, this is the thing you really want to have. It's really easy to install. It comes with large pre-assembled parts. You receive the end walls, the doors, the trusses, and the foundation frame in the basic kit. And you can easily assemble and install it in 3 hours. The polycarbonate sheets are installed into the metal frame, galvanized metal frame. You don't need to cut it out to measure it, so it's really easy to install. We have a large variety of sizes and shapes: the arch shape, gable roof shape, small cold frames, and large commercial greenhouses. Our greenhouses can be customized to any size of your backyard, any space you have, any color, any size. You can find us at EcoSliderUSA.com or give us a call.